Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will teach you XRD sample preparation. XRD sample preparation is the X-ray diffraction sample preparation refer to the process of getting a sample ready for analysis using X-ray diffraction techniques. This preparation is crucial for obtaining accurate and reliable results from XRD experiment. The step involved in sample preparation can vary dependent on the type of material being analyzed and the specific requirement of the analysis. Typically, XRD sample preparation involves several steps. That is, number one, selection of sample. Choose a representative sample that accurately represents the material of interest. The sample may be in a form of powder, single crystal, thin film, or a bulk material, depending on the analysis requirement. This is the samples in a form of powder, which we are ready for XRD, and this is the crystal form, that is a pellet form from which we get XRD. The next step is the cleaning of the sample, that is cleaning the sample to remove any contaminants or impurities that could affect the analysis. Common cleaning methods include using solvent, acid, or mechanical cleaning technique. This diagram shows a mechanical cleaning, cleaning technique. That is, first we use a test tube in which we put our sample with some distilled water, and this is a machine which produces ultrasonic wave, due to which the test tube vibrate and the sample, uh, the contaminants attached with the sample remove. In the next step, we remove the sample and add some water, that is distilled water, in this tube again and put it again and repeat it. After this process, we will get a clean sample and we will then put it into a slab or some other container, and then we will put an oven to dry it, and then it will be ready for XRD. The next process, that how we will dry it, sample drying, is this. Some sample may need it to be dried prior to analyze to remove any moisture that could interfere with the X-ray diffraction pattern. This is the machine in which we dry our sample. We put the sample here and dry it for 10 to 30 minutes. It depends on the condition. Next, we are going to the next step, the sample grinding and homogenization. So in some cases, the powder form is necessary. If the sample is in a form of bulk material or larger pieces, it may need to be ground down to fine powder to ensure uniformity and maximize surface area for analysis. Homogenization ensures that the sample is consistent throughout. This modern pestle is used to grind large pieces and convert the bulk material into a powder. The most important step is sample orientation. For a single crystal, if analysis if analyzing single crystal, the proper orientation of the crystal may be necessary to obtain specific diffraction pattern. This is a pattern of our XRD machine, uh, and this is the beam of X-ray which bombard on the sample, and this is the beam trapper, and here we count the diffracted beam, and this is the rotator, and here the angle changes in this portion. So this orientation of the sample is necessary in some cases if the sample is in a form of single crystal. This is the video about sample preparation. Thanks for watching the video. If this video is informative for you, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for